And there we go. Both came out fantastic. I think this Craftsman came out very, very nice. Very, very nice. Cleaned up great. Did a very light polish on these. Didn't really have to do a lot. Just a few last steps. I'll probably take a cleaning cloth and clean these off and oil everything, but this is literally fresh off of my bench, and I think these have come out great. Now, I didn't show this on screen, but I actually repaired the scissor springs. The scissor spring was actually all the way over here, and I bent that back into place. And I think it's going to work out great. Just came unseated there, but I think it'll be good. And it goes back into place as it should there. So I was able to salvage that. And one thing that I really like is the file. Now, I really do like the original file on these, but the newer one is a lot harsher, and I actually think a little more aggressive, but this one's finer. And I like it for certain reasons. It is a little more friendly when you're working with watches and you might need to file something off versus the other one. But this thing came out great, and man, it looks good in black. This really looks good in black. I polished the back springs and the tops of the blades as well, and I think this is going to look great. Now, this one is already called for and has been sold, so client of mine was actually just waiting for me to make the video, and I thank you for his patience. And then here is the director. Now this one actually has somebody's initials on it. It was done very well, but man, this thing is just really nice. It's still got some water on it, but I really feel like this one was a gift. It was just never used, and man, it's just so nice. This is probably one of the best ones I've ever had, other than the Hofritz one that I had from the 1970s. But this thing is just so clean, just super clean. The only tool that showed any use on it, on this director, was the nail file. And I actually think this was probably gifted to maybe a late 40-something. And he was probably working in an office a lot, didn't really need all the other tools, but needed the nail cleaner and nail file. But this thing is just really beautiful. Look at the gouache on there. Look at that. I mean, these things are just very, very beautiful. Now, this has also been claimed and called for. It's going to the same client of mine that picked up the Craftsman. So he is getting two fantastic knives here. And to be honest, these are getting pretty hard to find nowadays either way. But I thought you guys would enjoy seeing me restore these and kind of look over them and give my thoughts on them. So till the next one, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.